Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. It is now about 3 weeks into January and I have been waiting for this since the 22nd of December. I don't know if it was the first one that may have got just delayed or whether it's a replacement one, but we shall see. But we are opening today box 19 of the Crochet Society subscription. So let's cue lots of rustling. Okay, so it has little rain clouds on it. There are raining little hearts. That's really cute. Okay, so let's have a look and see what's inside. Look for the silver lining. I'm going to go this way because it's not quite fitted in shot. So look for the silver lining. We've got blue tissue paper this month, so let's have a look. Got a big wad of stuffing again. There's loads of colours in here. Oh, what's that? My crochet year. It's like a little book. Oh, it's a cute little notebook, and there's some square pages. Oh, that's really fab. So some pages have got a square grid pattern on, some pages are lined and others are blank. That's really sweet. I really like that. So let's see what we've got. So we've got Confection DK. Oh, these are different colours to what we had for the blanket for the advent. Let's have a look. So we've got 6 different balls of yarn. We have sugared mouse, and a very pale sort of dusty blue. Oh, I've just seen something else in here which is lovely. We've got elderberry. Now this one was in our advent, so you've seen that one before. We have blueberry. So they're all kind of based around food, which is really sweet. Sweet, huh? I think this one's just peachy. No, this is called candy floss. So it's a little bit paler than just peachy that we had in the advent. Is this bubblegum? Ice pop. So that's a lighter version of the bubblegum that we had. It's more of a bluey colour. And then last one is lemon drops. So it's a really nice pale yellow. They work really nice together. So I might actually be able to put the leftovers from my advent blanket with these. Or I could just make a new advent blanket. So let's see what else we've got, okay? Oh, that's really sweet. We've got this cute little pin badge. It's a little cloud of a star in his hair. We have our little rainbow. Like Progress Keeper rainbow. That's going straight on my star. We have the code for the videos online. We have our what I call a little cheat sheet with all the abbreviations of crochet terms. Not sure what's in there. We have a 3.75 crochet hook in this really nice blue colour, and there's like raindrops over it. And then, oh, there's still more stuff in here. There's 3 sheets of stickers which can go in my planner. I've started to use the planner that we got in like box 10. So yeah, I've started to use that. It might have even been box 9. And then we've got the booklet for this month's box. So I still need to open this. So what do we have in the little packet? Is it the eyes and safety eyes? It is indeed. It is the safety eyes. So I'm going to leave those in there so that they are not going to get lost. And let's have a look in the booklet, shall we? So on the front is like this little bolero using the colours. That's really sweet, actually. It's an interesting pattern as well. So it says, we're in the depths of winter now, which means that brighter days will get nearer, ever nearer. So obviously this was due the end of December, and it is now the 17th of January. So this one may have been lost for a little while, or it's a new box. I don't know if it's a replacement or the one that was originally sent. But I guess we'll find out soon. Anyway, the box is all intact, so I'm hoping this is the replacement. So we have the boxes themed around silver linings. So there's nothing I need to cover up on this page. Oh, there's a, oh, look at, oh. So there's a little cloud, little stuffed cloud. There's a cushion, which has got a rainbow design, and then you've got the bolero as well. So those are our 3 projects this month. There is a tea and chat with Natalia McHale, one of the designers, the designer for the bolero, I believe. Yeah, so it's called a Estelle Shrug. So these sorts of things tend to be made in like a rectangle, and then you join corners together to fold it over. So that's a nice view from the front. So it just hugs the shoulders. So does that use all of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, that uses all 6 colours. We then have a bit more detail about everything that's in the box. So we have our Bella Coco Confection DK, the bespoke hook and stitch marker, little planning book, which is really sweet, and the pin badge. I love the pin badge. Love the pin badge. It's definitely going on my bag. And then it's got some alternative yarns, and I love this page because not everybody gets not everybody likes to necessarily use the yarn that's in the box. They like to use their own, or it's really nice to stash dive as well. So some alternatives are King Cole Bamboo Cotton DK, there's Serdar Snuggly Baby Bamboo DK, Cascade Ultra Pima, Debbie Bliss Piper, and Rico Creative Silky Touch DK. So there's 5 other alternatives to the Confection DK, which I think is actually a little bit thicker than DK, especially especially the yarns that we got in the advent. They seemed a little bit thicker, but there we go. So this is Over the Rainbow Cushion, product 2. So it's quite a subtle pattern for the rainbow itself, done in an eyelet pattern. So that's really lovely. That's by Emma Moss. And then it's got the back of the cushion. It's just some simple striping using the colours. So we've got an especially for you page, so I'm not going to show you that one. So it's got like codes and stuff where we can get some discounts and freebies, and a competition too. So part 3 of making the magazine. So every month now we get a different behind the scenes look as to what goes on in making the boxes and putting them together, etc, etc. And our last project is Clarence the Cloud, which would be quite nice. It's just like a little stuffy to have in your pocket or in your bag, so if you get a little bit stressed you can just give it a bit of a squeeze and it will help calm you down. So that's really sweet. And that's designed by Kate Heppel. And then I love this page. This page has makes from previous boxes that people have put onto Instagram and onto Facebook. So you get all different looks. So we've got the macrame hanger. Well, I call it macrame hanger, it's not, it's actually crochet. This one is the shawl, but used in different yarn. We then got a Hugs and Kisses blanket down here. We've got the squirrel, hat and gloves, another shawl, and the socks and a pumpkin from the autumn box. I still haven't finished my socks. And then we get a little look at the next box, which is like a minty green colour with some speckles of like, it looks like confetti. So I'm not sure what that one's going to bring. So I'm really impressed with the yarn because I've worked with this before, obviously. I made the blanket over Advent, and I'm not sure I would do the projects in the booklet. I might do the cloud, because I think that's something that I can use as myself, or something I could possibly use at work in terms of teaching. So I'm going to make that one, I think. And yeah, these are really, really nice colours. They work so lovely together. I mean, all the colours from the Advent work together. So I think I'm gonna put them together and see if I can get like a gradient of the rainbow through them. So we shall see. But yes, that is the new Crochet Society box 19. And in a few days, I'll probably get an email saying that box 20 is on its way. So yes, that is the Crochet Society box 19. So let's see if we can get it all back into the box just for today. This always takes me a little while to try and get it all back in the box. And then stuffing in the middle. So that is box 19 done and over, and I look forward to seeing box 20. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.